A car's safety is paramount when choosing a vehicle for you and your loved ones. With the ever-increasing awareness of road safety, car buyers are keen on knowing the safety ratings of different car models. In this video we will delve into the Swift NCAP rating to understand its safety standards and whether it is a top choice for safety-conscious car buyers. What is the NCAP rating? The NCAP rating, which stands for New Car Assessment Program, is a vehicle safety rating system that evaluates new vehicles, crashworthiness and crash avoidance features. It is a globally recognized standard that assesses vehicles based on their performance in various crash tests, such as frontal impact, side impact, and pedestrian protection. Adult Occupant Protection (AOP) rating for Maruti Swift. The Swift has scored a 1-star safety rating from the Global NCAP agency. It scored 19.19 points out of the maximum 36. Now let's talk about Tata Punch. The Tata Punch has achieved a 5-star rating for adult occupant protection and 4 stars for child occupant protection in Global NCAP's latest NCAP crash tests. Adult occupant protection. The protection offered to the driver and passenger head and neck was good. Driver and passenger chest showed good protection. Driver and passenger knees showed good protection. Driver tibias showed adequate protection while passenger tibias showed adequate and good protection. The body shell was rated as stable and it was capable of withstanding further loadings. Footwell area was rated as stable. The car offers standard seat belt reminders, SBR, for driver and passenger. The car passed UN 95 side impact test. It has front passengers SBR that pass the requirements and it offers standard ABS, 4-channel. All of the above explain the 5-star rating for adult occupant protection. Child occupant protection. The child seat for the 3-year-old and 1.5-year-old were installed rearward facing with ISOFIX connectors and support leg. The CRS was able to prevent excessive forward movement during the impact and offered good protection to the head and chest of both dummies. CRS marking was permanent. The recommended CRS did not show incompatibility. The vehicle offers a lap belt